Hey traders, this is Raul with the post-market analysis for trading session Wednesday, September 20th, and at the same time pre-market view for today's Thursday, September 21st trading session. So this is yesterday's trading session, Wednesday. I had my frequency lines, the green bullish frequency and the orange bearish frequency, which I had in place for 2 days, so meaning from the beginning of the week. They are still valid and they are still kind of getting respected. So what happened yesterday is the market opened and was moving very, very slowly, as it did the whole trading session of Tuesday. And finally we got some movement here. This strong movement down, breaking the frequency line, was not a very clear break, but looking at this strong move, we could assume that we will go out or try to break out of this consolidation, which where the market consolidated for Tuesday and the most of the beginning of the yesterday's trading session. So when we broke here, we started to get in structured market. We had mid-band respects, downwards movement here, then a kind of reversal, mid-band respects. So as of here, we got a market that we are used to and that we like to see. So I added so I can show you my trade from yesterday. I did trade as of the market open and waited for a movement, and here I saw an opportunity, but it was already very late, and so I took one trade yesterday, and this was a trade set and forget. So I entered the trade, had my target at 2 points, because I really seeing the last movements of the market the last 2 days. I didn't expect really big moves, so I was kind of conservative in my target, and I took one trade here and exited at the outer band, which was 2 points, and then the market did what it did, but I was my trading session was done yesterday. For today I added this red bearish frequency. I can see developing. It's not very clear, but it looks like we have here some pressure from bears. What we could see now today is so we are kind of trying to break this bearish frequency line. Here we had a retest of the orange one, which for now failed. We couldn't break higher, so we might see some downwards movement to this frequency line, trying to get up again, or breaking just lower without coming back. If we strongly break lower, we would have a target. A first interesting target would be in this region where we have confluence of 2 frequency lines, or if we get some really nice movements, we might extend to this bearish frequency somewhere here, depending on the price action we will see today. On the upside, this area here is for me a no trade area, because we have these kind of frequency lines now gapping. They crossed here, and this is what I can mention is this is something we have very often. We can see if we can identify a bullish and a bearish frequency, the most important one, and they are crossing, we get this kind of consolidations, because we are then in a fight where the decision is if we are going with the bullish frequency or if the bears are under control, and we will go down. So yesterday we broke out to the downside of this bearish of this bullish green frequency line, respecting for a while this orange bearish frequency line, and now we have this red one setting up. So we might see a break to the upside with the test of this bearish frequency line before going lower. But this area between these frequencies is a no trade area, because we might just consolidate here for a while. I want to see really a clear break above this green, and then I will not go long. I will see what happens here at the red bearish frequency line. And on the downside, I want to see if price goes here. I want to see a break back into the orange frequency here before going short follower. So this one here, no trade area for me. On the upside, I want to see what happens at the bearish frequency line here. On the downside, I will be in for a short when breaking back into this. We might not get this move to the upside. Here we have a fail of the orange, some difficulties to break the red one, so we might see something like this with a try to break here, fail, and then plunging lower today. So that's my view for today. Have a good trading session. Bye bye.